Exercise 3 for this week are mountain climbers. The concept is glycogen depletion and fatigue. Mountain climbers require repeated bursts of high intensity movement that rely heavily on muscle glycogen. As glycogen stores become depleted, the muscles have rap- less readily available use for ATP production. This can lead to fatigue and reduced exercise performance. Proper carbohydrate intake before exercise helps maintain glycogen stores and delays fatigue. This exercise demonstrates the importance of carbohydrate availability during intense physical activity. So once again, we are doing mountain climbers. That is 30 seconds on, 30 seconds rest for 6 rounds. And explain in week 1, mountain climber. Get down on all fours. You're alternating your